Hello kids, today we are going to learn birds name, पक्षियों के नाम. First is crow, C-R-O-W, crow. Crow means koa. Second is hen, H-E-N, hen. Hen means murgi. Third is parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Parrot means तोता. And fourth is owl, O-W-L, owl. Owl means ullu. Fifth is duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Duck means batak. Now kids, we will learn how to write bird's name. Number 1 is crow. Write down C-R-O-W, crow. And second is hen, H-E-N, hen. Number third is parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Number fourth is owl, O-W-L, owl. And last is, and fifth is duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Hope you all have understand bird's name. Thank you. Bye-bye.